Members of the United Nations Security Council have expressed optimism about the Congolese government's commitment to hold credible polls in December. The head of the team, Veronica Cordova, says they met senior government officials in the capital Kinshasa who assured them of free and fair elections. CGTN's Ocamringa has more.
Representatives from the United Nations Security Council arrived in the DRC capital Kinshasa on Thursday to discuss the upcoming elections. They met civil society members, religious leaders and government officials in a bid to promote peace and stability amidst concerns that the poll might be marred by violence. They also discussed the overall security and human rights situation in the country, just weeks after President Kabila called on the UN General Assembly to start withdrawing peacekeepers from his country. The head of the Security Council delegation, Veronica Cordova, was optimistic about the DRC's commitment to hold peaceful elections.
We came to support the electoral process, which we are aware has gone a long way. Proof of this are the commitments undertaken for the organization of peaceful and credible elections, and we have been able to see these developments firsthand.
The Security Council's optimism is, however, at odds with the feeling of Congolese opposition members who have vowed to boycott the elections if the electronic voting machines are used. The DRC Electoral Commission and the government has dismissed the opposition's demands as a move aimed at disrupting the upcoming elections. The opposition accuses the government of including fake names in the voters' roll, an accusation the government denies. The standoff between the government and the opposition could trigger chaos across the country. The UN hopes the two parties will come to an understanding before the elections on December 23rd. Ocamringa, CGTN, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo.